Let us pray so hard for our country, pray so hard for our neighbors. I saw my brothers here from Tanzania. Whatever is going on in their country, let us pray for them, pray for the country, and pray for the leaders, so that the leaders are touched of God, by the Spirit of God, to understand and value human life, to know that all of us are required to be here to serve the people, that we hold power in trust on behalf of the people, and that every time we discharge public duty, it must be for the welfare of the people. And you know, my brother Mosiria, you got a referendum here on SHA. Please go and tell those wonderful people to do the right thing. And we are in, ask them to do the right thing. We are in church, we are before God. We cannot engage in lies, even before the court. These are the people who get the services, and they are talking back to you and telling you the services don't exist. So let's do the right thing. And you know, one way of honoring God in the services that we do, especially you who is an Adventist, is to do the right thing in the eyes of the Lord. Yeah. Let's do the right thing. Give services to our people, so that, because one day is going to come when we will all appear before the judgment. And what shall we say at that time if we have not done the right thing? But anyway,